Hey, Rob. Welcome to Bunnie Lane Beach House. Hop on in.
Love it. Let's go. Give me the deets on Bunnie Lane.
We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs. And we have the primary bedroom, and then we have an amazing studio attached to the main house, which is spectacular. I mean, this home is just a fun house. People come here. We would have something called FDOW every Sunday. Favorite day of the week, every Sunday, our place would be the place to come and party, eat, and just celebrate life.
This is the perfect vacation rental because it's truly, in your life, this is the hangout house.
Yeah, that's a very accurate statement.
This was your home. Yeah. You raised how many kids here?
5.
Okay, so this is really giving people an opportunity to get a little bubble of your world. So what was the thing that you really hope people get to experience when they're coming here?
I want them to feel at home, and they can bring their friends, their guests. They can use whatever they want in the house. It's fully equipped. It is basically home away from home. Yeah. And that's what people say when they come here. They feel so comfortable. And we have a lot of return guests. A lot of people come back, but it's just an amazing home. We love it here.
Okay, so you walk into the house.
We have this huge living room with this beautiful U-shaped couch. We have this nice fireplace, and we did just get beautiful floors. It's so nice, it just makes it look so beautiful. And then you enter into a nice kitchen with these deep blue cabinets, and we have all upgraded, beautiful Viking, Sub-Zero appliances. It's a great place for home cooked meals. We have 2 bedrooms downstairs, which are both equipped with Tempur-Pedic beds, beautiful updated bathrooms.
But the studio, does it have its own little patio?
They have their own golf cart, which is really nice. They get to go to the private beach. They do have their own courtyard. It's like a full service. They go up there, they feel at home. They don't need to bring a thing. Everything is there for them. It's really nice.
I love the fact that you've opened this up to everybody. Talk to me a little bit about the outdoor living.
So we have a back door patio. You can have anywhere from 20 to 30 people in the backyard, enjoy beautiful sunset dinners. We do have privacy of all the olive trees. If we walk to the back of the house, we have 2 outside showers. We have an amazing jacuzzi.
You just got it all. You're 1 block from the water, but you have it all. People will want to stay here. They can walk to the water. Well, I want to go explore the beach. What's the best way to go do that?
You can take the golf cart with my lovely wife, and it's about a 1/4 mile from here, and she will show you the ropes.
I love that. Thank you so much for having me. And I'm coming back for the favorite day of the week.
Yeah.
Coming back for that. I'm telling you, favorite day of the week is happening.
You are invited every Sunday.
I'm in.
Don't forget.
I've been living in LA now for 20 years. I've never been to this beach.
Exactly.
It's a little hidden beach community on the most northern part of Malibu.
It's great because it's quiet.
Yeah.
And if you want a wilder beach, just take the golf cart, and not even a 1/4 mile up the way is another beach entrance.
Well, looks like this is the end of the road.
Yep, this is the beach.
Man, this is so beautiful. This is Southern California living.
This is where I end up every day on my walk. I do a little bit of yoga. I do a little bit of meditation.
I mean, look at this. You've curated a life that people get to have a little part if they come and rent your house. This is like one of those moments where like, I don't want to go, but I have to go. Thank you so much for having me. And I'll leave you the golf part, so I'll head back. What's the quickest way?
Straight up the steps. So they go right to my house.
It's not gonna be that bad.
No, not at all. You got it.
I got this.
All right, take care.